Is it visible to my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hmm. Okay, in the epsilon, to open the PDF document, just press V. Now I want to open 10th chapter. So before that file, we have to press the cursor. We have to put the cursor and press V. Then automatically it will open Adobe Acrobat Professional one. See, after opening document, go to file option. See, here file option is there. So just click on file option and choose save as. Or else you can use commands also. Shift control S. In the same path itself, we'll save the text file. Here file name, whatever the file name is there, you can use same name or else you can change. Here I'll change it here. Anyhow, we have to rename the file, right? That's why here itself I'll change the file name. And in save as type, just click on that. We'll get options, multiple options. In that, we have to choose plain text. Okay, c10.xml and save the file. Is this clear? After opening Adobe Acrobat Reader, just go to file option and choose save as and give the file name whatever you want, and next go to save as type. In that options we will get, so we have to choose text plain and save the file, then we'll get the text file. Just open the path in the epsilon and refresh it. For refreshing R, now we'll get text file whatever we have converted from PDF to text file. Just open text file in the epsilon. Here multiple new lines are there. This is single line and this is single line, like that multiple lines are there. So we have to remove lines manually, means it will take lot of time to remove all the lines. So here in the epsilon, one command is there, that is replacement command. So for replacement, we have to use alt R, just press alt R. For each line, shift enter, and one more shift enter. Two lines we have to use here in query replace string. Okay, after that enter. After entering, with option we'll get it. So in with we have to give one line. So for line space, for new line, shift enter. In the first step, two shift enters we have used. In width, we have to use only shift enter. That's it. And enter. Here first we have to check it. For that one, we need to press comma, whether that line spaces removing or not. We have to check it first. So press comma, yeah, it's removing, and use space bar and press comma and space bar, comma. See, it's removing. Press comma space bar. It's removing. So for at a time replacement, we have to press shift 1. shift 1 we have to press. Here it is showing replace 103 of 103. So same like that only, same process we have to repeat. Here replace 0 of 0 should come. Alt R, shift enter and enter. With place also single shift enter. Already it's there, no need to do again. And normal enter. Here also space and comma, space and comma. It's removing. So press shift 1. Again same process. Alt R, shift enter, enter. In with place shift enter and enter, comma. Yeah, it's removing. Again, shift 1. Again shift 1. Again alt R, shift enter, enter. In with place also shift enter, enter, shift 1. And after replacing, here it is showing 1 of 1, that means everything is clear, but we have to check it. Just use alt down arrow. Hmm. Now the cursor it is in end of the file, and alt upper arrow, alt upper arrow. Here also between paragraphs there is no spaces. Spaces means new lines. Okay, like this we have to check it. After that we need to save the file. For saving, control X, yes, press yes, then it will save the file. Okay, after that see here, okay, to identify the entities. For that one, control S, control T, control S, control T, less than, greater than. The command is control S, control T, less than, greater than. Between less than, greater than, we have to give hash 125 hyphen hash 255. Hash 125 hyphen hash 255. Then only it will show the entities. Enter. So here we have to provide entities. For this project we have to use name entities. So for name entities, for these type of things we have to manually, I'll show you, ampersand, APOS and semicolon, alt text HTML mode. Okay, again control S, control T, control S, enter. Here also same thing, APOS and semicolon. But again control S, control S. Here also same thing. So manually it will take lot of time to give all the entities. So just select the symbol, only symbol. Alt R, enter. In with place we have to give the code. This is apostrophe. So ampersand, APOS and semicolon. APOS and semicolon. Enter. Just check it, comma, press comma. It's replacing, and use spacebar, comma, spacebar, comma, spacebar. See here, it's replacing perfectly. So directly you can use shift 1. Okay, and save the file. Control X, yes. Control X, yes. Control X, yes. And next. Control S, Control T, Control S. Once again. Here double quotes are there. See, for these type of things, you can select like this or else only double quote you can select. See, this time I'll select only double quote. Alt R, enter, and here also, and symbol. This is double quote, the to left side. So left side double quote QU and enter. See here, it's replacing. It's replacing. That's it. And after that, right side double quote. Just select. Sometimes double quote will get it like this, and then directly space with double quote we have to select. This symbol is different. That's why we can select only double quote or like this. Alt R, enter, and that to right side. So give right side double quote, enter. So here, completed. Again alt upper arrow, Control S, Control T, again Control S and enter. Here M dash is there. If you don't know the code, just copy the symbol and open Word document and paste the symbol here and press Alt X. Then we'll get the code. I have given list, right? So in that you can search for 2014. There we'll get the name entity. Just select it, Alt or enter, and this is M dash, enter. Save the file, Control X, yes, and Control S, Control T, again Control S. Reverse search and normal search, forward and reverse search. It is showing failing. That means there is no symbols. Cleared. We have replaced all the entities. Like this, we have to replace the entities. And after that, after replacing all the entities, here we will apply para taggings. Alt R, Alt R, Shift Enter, Enter. In with place, first we have to give closing para tag, Shift Enter, and para opening tag. This is closing tag, and this one is opening tag. Tag itself we have to use ID, XML ID attribute. XML colon ID equal to within double quotes and give the chapter number and the to lowercase hyphen para. This is para, right? So here we have to give para. See, for sections means here we have to use section. Here it will be changed. Here whatever the tag is there, same thing it will come here. Para and sequence number. And that to 4 digits should be there. Here 4 digits.
What is the purpose of that 4 digit zeros?
Sequence ID, unique ID we have to use.
For every PDF, we have to use only zeros.
No. Later I'll tell you.
Okay.
Enter and press comma, space bar. See, it's replacing perfectly. So we'll use shift 1. Alt down arrow, extra tag it will be there, cut it, control W, alt upper arrow, and here paste the tag or control Y. Okay, after that, see end of the para tag, unwanted spaces are there in every paragraph. Here, here also it is there, here also, here also, right? So we'll remove. So select closing tag with the space, unwanted space. Alt R, in query replace string, whatever the wrong is there, that wrong method we have to use. Enter in with place. Here, end of the paragraph, unwanted space is there. So that space is not required. Only closing tag is required. That's why here we will give only para closing tag and enter and check it. Comma, spacebar, comma, spacebar. It's removing. So press shift 1. Okay, and save the file. Control X. Yes. See here, middle of the para tag, dots are coming. So these things not required. So we'll replace it. Just select para tag with dot and alt R, enter, in with the place, just give shift enter. That whole tag is not required. Enter. Sorry. Alt R, enter, in with nothing. Enter. And press comma. It's removing. So press shift 1. And after that, save the file. Control X. Yes. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Like this, we have to replace unwanted spaces and para taggings.
Ma'am, extra entities into?
For that things, we have to give it by manually. Manually means we'll check it. You'll get the symbol right. On that time, just copy the symbol and paste it in Word document. You will get hexadecimal code, Unicode. You'll get it. So by using that Unicode, I have given list. So in that you have to identify the name entity.
Okay, ma'am.
After getting name entity, here you can replace it.
Okay, ma'am.
How we replaced the entities, same like that one. Do you have an idea about regex?
Yes, ma'am, we know, but I think it's a different process compared to this training. Only shortcuts we know.
Hmm. See, in the PDF, we are getting website links, right? So here, website links are coming here and here and here also. Here, here. So, whenever we'll get website links on the time, what we'll do? Simply we'll copy the link, website link, and just give URL href within href http colon slash slash. Here http is not there, so inside href tag we have to provide http colon slash slash, and after that paste it, and end of the link, website link, we have to close URL. Like this we have to provide website links, and the two one more also we'll give. And see here, font is different compared to this font. Here font is different, so for that one, span css style equal to font family double quote mono space, and end of the URL we have to close span tag. Okay, like this we have to provide span tag and URL for website links. Okay, we'll search it one by one. Control S. One, two, three, 24 is that. Here space should come. Hmm. First we'll search Control S www dot. Here already we have given the link. By using regex command, here regex command is there, right? Shift Alt star. Just select the link, website link. Here we have to use command Shift Alt star. Here after www dot, whatever the content is there, for that content we'll do grouping. See, for grouping, braces, inside the braces square braces, and here lowercase is there, so the two alphabets are there, A to Z, and for increment plus we have to use, and here also same thing, A minus Z, A minus Z. So for grouping we have to do like this. After grouping, just select everything, copy and enter, and remove whatever it is there in width, and paste it here. Before this www dot, we have to give url href equal to within double quotes http colon slash slash and paste it one more time. And here, see, when we'll use shift alt star, regex will do, right? On that time these percentages will come. So in with place we have to remove those percentages. Just remove percentage. And here hash 1, this is first group. And here total 3 groups are there. We have done 3 groups. First group, second group, hash 2, and for third group hash 3. And here also remove percentage after double quote and greater than, whatever it is there in the document, same thing should be there. Only in the href we have to add http colon slash slash. And here also same groups. So hash 1, hash 2, hash 3. After that we have to close url. And here span tag also it's required. Span css lowercase. And after that initial caps style equal to within double quotes font hyphen family colon mono space. And enter. And press comma. Here whatever it is there, same thing should be there, and url and span tags should come. Here www.canadainternational.gc.ca is there. Same thing it came. Here also span CSS style, font family monospace, and URL HTTP. Here whatever it is there, same thing should come here also. And URL closing and span class. It's coming perfectly. So press spacebar. And here also www.passports.gov.ufr. Yeah, here also it's coming perfectly. So same like that only. Government.nj. It's coming. Like this we can replace. Save the file. And we'll check it for HTTP. Control S. Here HTTP is there. That is one method by using regex. Like that also we can do. And here start macro is there. One second. Here I want to do that URL. I want to provide URL and span tag. Here I'll do bookmark. Here bookmark is there, right? So for that one alt slash question mark it will be there. That key we have to press alt. Here it will show bookmark set. And after that, wherever this is span tag and URL is there, just select the tags. And here every time we can't type these tags, so the tags we can save it in the key. save in buffer. Control X and key. So whatever the tags are there, just select the tags. Control X. Here A to Z or 0 to 9. We can save it in any key. This is URL, right? So I'll save it in U letter. Just press U letter, it will save it in U letter. And closings are there. Control X, I. And I have done bookmarking, right? Wherever we have done bookmarking, if you press Alt J, that cursor it will jump to the bookmark set. Just press Alt J. See here that cursor it is in another place. So if you press Alt J, wherever we have done bookmark set, for that place it will jump the cursor. See here, I'll press Alt J. See here.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Kaushik, tell me.
Can you explain one more time this bookmark set?
Okay.
For the HTTP link, we should use bookmark set, ma'am.
Not only for that one, any type of thing you can use.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you explain one more time?
Hmm. Okay, I'll explain when the situation comes. Okay. I'll explain one more command. Start macro and closing macro. For start macro, Control X Shift 9. Just select everything and press Control X Shift 9. Control X Shift 9. After that, here it will show remembering. Okay. After remembering, just cut it. Control W. After cut, here we have saved in buffer, right? Control XX Control XX and here we will use used buffer. Control XY, Control XY U and paste it here and again same buffer. Control XY I. Okay, and reverse search. Control R href, search for href. Inside the URL tag, href is there, right? href equal to within double quotes. And after that, enter. After entering, and just use right arrow, come to the right place and use control space bar. Control space bar. And after that, control S double quote and greater than and use left arrow and here whatever it is there just delete it and we have copied, right, and paste it here. And now we have to close macro. For closing macro, Control X Shift 0. Control X Shift 0. So now we have done macro, right? Next time onwards simply we can use macro. http colon slash http. Here also. Here we have to provide link for this one. So for using, one second. Okay, run the macro. The command is Control F4. Just select the website link and press Control F4. Automatically will get proper tagging and proper link, website link. No need to type by manually. http colon and search for another one.
Madam, how are you jumping for the next HTTP? What is the key after
What
searching?
word? Aha, okay. Control S, Control T, and just give the HTTP. That's it, and search it.
After searching, it will highlight the first HTTP. For the next HTTP, what is the key to press?
Control F4.
No, ma'am. After
No.
searching HTTP,
Mm-hmm.
we clearing it. So for the next para where it is, we are searching now. So what is
No,
the key?
Control S only. Directly it will search the command.
Okay, ma'am.
See, reverse search means controller. Just press Control R and press Control S for reverse search, search for forward search, and enter
Okay.
and select everything and press Control F4. Okay, and after that search Control S, Control S, Control T, and Control S. Enter. Control S, Control S. Enter and select one more time and press Control F4. Again Control S, Control T, Control S, Control S. That's it. Nothing is there. Wherever HTTP is there, the tunnel it's finished. And one more thing also I have missed here. www dot also we have to add here also inside the href. Here www dot www dot control is control is. That's it. And we'll search for www. Control s www dot control s 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 control s. Here link is there. Just select the link and press Ctrl F4. And here we have to give HTTP colon. Ctrl S, Ctrl T, Ctrl S. Here www. Just select everything and press Ctrl F4. Then you'll get website link HTTP colon. Here also Ctrl F4. Ctrl S, Ctrl T, Ctrl S. Select everything, Control F4. Control S, Control T, Control S. Control F4. Control S, Control T, Control S. Control S, Control T, Control F4. Control S, Control T, Control S. Here also. Here space should be here. Control F4.
Madam, in
Control.
HTTP, no need.
No, no. Instead of doing manually, we can replace it. I remember. I'll tell you. Yes, space. Control F4. Control F4. Control F4. Control S, Control T, Control S. Enter. Control S. One more time. Control F4. Control S, Control T, Control S. Control F4. Control S, Control T, Control S. Control S. Control S. Same thing. Control S, Control T, Control S, Control S. Control F4. Control S, Control T, Control S, Control S. Control S. Control S, Control T, Control S. Control F4. Control F4. Control F4. That's it. Now it is showing failing. That means it's clear. Here, just select href and ww dot and use alt upper arrow. From the starting, we have to replace. Alt R, Control Y, Enter. In with place also same thing we have to paste. Control Y. And here we have to use http colon slash slash. See. Control, sorry, shift 1. Like this also we can replace. Clear, guys? In the starting it will be difficult, but if you practice it's very easy. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
how to identify font family?
See, wherever website links are there, in that place font is different. Only for that thing, font is different. So only for website links we have to use font family monospace. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
If you want to check the font family means here tools option is there, right? Just click on tools option and go to advanced editing and just select touch up text tool. Then you'll get a blue color border like this. So select the content and press right key, and here properties it will be there. Just click on properties and here we will get fonts. But for that type of things we have to use font family monospace only. That is client requirement. So like this we have to uh, replace or regex, or you can use macros also for these website links, and use shift alt open brace. Here long line wrap is there. So if you want the text should be in single line means you have to use shift alt open flower brace. See here I have used already that whole paragraph. It should display in single line. If you want to display in multiple lines means, so you have to use shift alt close brace. This is paragraph. So shift alt close brace. It will display in multiple lines. Shift alt open flower brace. Just check the paragraphs like this. See here, lowercase is there. That means that is continuation paragraph. Copy the content, copy the content, and come to the PDF document. Control F, Control V to find out the content in PDF. Control F, Control V, enter. See here, certificate and a photo ID. This is single line, but here it's coming in different paragraphs. In this case, we have to remove shift alt close brace, closing flower brace, and remove para tags. After that, we need to merge the content and just give space also. Word to word space should be there. Okay, and same like that only we'll check it. Shift alt open flower brace, and here also see list is there and US is there, and second also it is there. Just we'll check it. Copy the content and Control F, Control V, enter. Here it will start the list, and to find, after to find your regional passport. So shift alt close, closing flower brace. See here, just merge it. After the, this is continuation paragraph, and here also 2 is there. So just delete it. This one list. So these values are not required. And third one also. Fourth one also. Again shift alt open flower base. And here dot is there. We'll check it. Just copy the content and search it in the PDF file. Here tick mark is there. So here dot is there. So delete space and dot. In the starting of the paragraph, spaces should not be there. Para tag, after that content. And here also same thing. Axis America. So remove space and dot. Here total value. Copy the content and search it in the document of the, that is continuation. Shift Alt, closing flower brace. Select the para tag and remove para taggings and give space and merge it. Shift Alt upper arrow. And here also. That is continuation. So remove and here also. Shift Alt, closing flower base. Remove para taggings. Space. Shift Alt, open flower base. Here also. Okay, that is correct. Use down arrow. That's it. And save the file. Like this, first we have to check it. And we need to merge the files. Sorry, paragraphs. Just now I have explained about macro, right? I'll explain one more type of. See, middle of the paragraphs, some places we are getting bold tags and italic tags. See, in this paragraph, bold and italics are not there. Here also it's not there. Here also it's not there. Here it is there. Just select and select the content and come to the epsilon, control S, control T and control Y and enter. Here we have to apply bold taggings. So manually we have to give. So instead of that, by using macro we can give it bold tags. Just select the content, select the content, control X, shift 9. For starting macro, control X, shift 9, cut it, control W. Here for bolds we have to use bold tag and after that paste the content, control Y, and after that give closing bold tag. And next close macro, control X, shift 0. Keyboard macro defined. It's recorded. So next time onwards, wherever the bold tags are there in that place, just select the content. Here US State Department is that. Control S, Control T, Control Y. Here, just select the content and press Control F4. We'll get bold tags automatically. Here also, national passport. Here, Control F4. And here, phone is there. So for that one, we have to use phone and that too bold also it is there. So here we will use regex. Just select the values and use shift alt star. Shift alt star. Here values are there. So we'll do grouping 0 to 9. Values are there. So we'll give 0 to 9. Alphabets means we have to use A to Z. Just select everything 0 to 9 and plus, and select everything, enter, paste it in with the place, and here percentages we can remove. Instead of phone symbol, here we are getting percentage, so percentage is not required. And here and symbol phone, for phone we have to use entity, phone entity, and give space, and bolts also it is there, the starting and end of the values. But this one is not required. And here just give, here three groups are there, here these groups are required, values are required, so give hash 1, hash 2, and hash 3. Okay, enter. Here 877 and phone also should come in the starting of the percentage, and bolts also should come. Just check it, 2778, it's coming properly. Here also 202 647 0518, yeah, it's coming. So same like that, only space bar everywhere it will replace.
And for bolt, for phone bolt no need.
Not required, it is entity, right? Yeah, that's it. And save the file, control X, yes. Like this, by using regex command we can replace. Okay, and next this and all it's completed, but we have to check it. And here copy the content, control S, control T, control Y, select the content and give control F4, running the macro, we'll get bold tags. In next line also, from here to till photos, here comma, for comma also bold is there, so select with comma, control F4. For note, here note is there, so for note and double quote also, for colon, control F4, and just select one more time, and here we'll give italic and bold, both it is there. Fee, for fee also bold, control F4. Already this and all we have replaced. Control F4. And control F4. Select the content and press control F4. Here we have missed it. So give space, and give phone, and select the content and press control F4. New sequence, control F4. And passports office, control F4. Here already we have replaced. and United Kingdom. Here, after semicolon, bold is there. So just after semicolon, bold is there. Control F. See here, inline images are coming. Here parrot tag is there, right? So here itself, just press type equal to heads up, heads up, heads up. We have to use wherever we'll get inline images. Wherever we'll get inline images, in that place we have to use type equal to heads up. In some places, different names will get it. Same name we have to use. Here not. Here triple dots are there. So I have given list. So in that just view ellipse for triple dots. Control F4. Here we will replace it. Control Alt R, Control Y. Cut it and close it after semicolon. Control F4. Here after dot bolts are here also heads up. Just in tag itself type equal to heads up, and next one also next control F4. Control F4. Here italic is there. Just give italic. Wireless touch yes. And next internet control F4. Service provider control F4. Mail to web. And Yahoo mail. Go to my PC. Wayport. Way wireless network. Access numbers. I2 Pro. Already we have given, just check it. Connection kit. and 1 hour. Two hour. Something like that. Gate checking, e-tickets, electronic and online check-in, and air camera. Air camera. WestJet. CUR. Site check-in. And that's it. Hmm. Here also heads up is there. So here we'll give type equal to heads up. Here tip is there. So some credit. Here instead of heads up we have to use tip. Whatever is there, same thing we have to use. Already we have given here. Here also we have given. See, in the starting of the chapter, we'll get in this chapter. So when we'll get in this chapter, on that time, we have to use remaining details. So for that one, first we have to open feature fix tag we have to use. Here it will start feature fixed and here it will end. See here in top and the bottom dots are there. That means this is the starting and this is the ending. So paying your backs. Here it will end feature fixed. So for feature fixed we have to use para tag. Inside the para tag itself we have to use feature fixed and here it will end closing para tag. And here title type equal to main. and here in this chapter we'll get it, and here it will end title tag. And we have to open section and id, and here scc we have to use this for this section, and this is the ending. Okay, and for these paragraphs here list format we have to use, just use list tag and give XML id style also, style equal to bulleted, and here list, this is list, so here we have to use list, and instead of p we have to use list item. If you want you can replace it. No. Li, here li we have to use, and after list item it will end list. And here also we have to use feature fixed, sorry, feature fixed name, here feature fixed name in this chapter, and after that, sorry, if it is paragraph means we have to take section, this is list, right? So just use para. Yeah, that's it. Whenever we'll get in this chapter, or else I'll show you another file. Here it is. Yeah, sometimes we'll get chapter outlet. Okay, chapter outlet in this chapter, or else in this part, like that we'll get it in this format. So on that time we have to use feature fixed. See, if you don't use para tags means when we'll do validation part, on that time we'll get errors. Okay. And after that, and this is the paragraph. After that, here we are getting heading levels. Some files will get H1 levels, some more files will get H1, H2 levels, and some more PDFs will get heading level 3 also will get it. We'll see in this file. This is heading level 1. So whenever we'll get sections and heading levels, coding is section XML ID and chapter number. This is section, so we have to use section. And after that, here title, getting passport and visas, and title will end. ID is not required. Type equal to main. Okay, this is the coding for sections. And this one also paragraph. See, this level and this level is different. So this is heading level 2. First we will finish heading level 1. This is the starting. And this is heading level 1. Control S greater than, playing it safe with travel. Okay, enter. The starting we have opened section tag. So here we have to close section tag, and after that again we have to open section tag. Here SCC, and here we have to use title, type equal to main. In the ending we have to close title tag. And here one more heading level 1 is there. Staying control S greater than, staying health when you travel. Enter. Closing section tag, because we have opened section tag here. So for this one, this is the closing. Okay. See, in this case also we can use bookmark set. See, alt question mark, and just select section tag, and just to search, reverse search, control R. Here this coding is required. Just copy it and press alt J wherever you have done that bookmark. So for that place it will jump the cursor, alt J. So paste it, and whatever the title is there, just cut the title and paste it here. Here packing for the Canadian. So just copy it everything, packing, enter, paste it, cut it and paste it. Just remove spaces. Just select it. And here also staying, control S, stay, select and paste it here. title, access it, select it and paste it. This is title, closing title. Keeping control is greater than keeping paste it and just give title. That's it. So here we have opened the section. So for that one, select the closing tag and close it end of the file. Here after this paragraph section closing it will come. Okay. Now we have done heading level 1. Clear guys? Heading level 1.
Madam, bold tags no required for heading level.
Yes, not required. Just apply titles.
Okay.
And next. Here heading level 2 is there. So for that one also same coding. Just copy it and search for applying for. Control is greater than applying for. Select para tag and paste it. Control Y. And here just to title. And here heading level 2, here it will start. So for this section closing it won't come here. And another applying for here. Select it and paste it. Here it will close section. First time it won't close. Second time onwards we have to close section and again we have to open section and title tags. Here we have to use this is heading level 2 only and this is 1. So for this section closing tag it will come here. Playing already we have closed. That is for heading level 1. Here one more section closing tag it will come. This is for heading level 2 and this is for heading level 1. Again heading level 1 is there. In this heading level 2 is there or not we have to check. It's not there. And here also in this heading level, here it is there. Watching overview. Select copy. Watching. Control is greater than watching. Just select paradigm and paste it. This is first step. Heading level 2. It's coming. 1 second. See, for automation purpose, we will use macros. If you want, you can create macro and you can use it. And here also one more heading level 2 is there. So in that place also, just copy the text and paste it here. Here, closing for this section. Here we have to close section. And here also closing section. And this is heading level 1. So here one more closing section it will come. On this one heading level 1. And here also heading level 1. Heading level 1. That's it. Now we have done heading level 2 also. I have completed all the heading levels. Clear guys? Heading levels. Next uh, today whatever I have explained, please practice. Okay? Monday I'll continue remaining things and all. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Tomorrow there is no class, ma'am.
No, no, no.
Okay, ma'am. We should complete 7 PDFs, only single PDF.
No, no, just practice one by one you can do.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. If you'll finish first PDF means you can practice second PDF also.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Any doubts, guys, in the section part and macros and regex?
And present, no doubts, but when we do, we will get
Okay, just practice
marks.
it. If you have anything in next session, I'll explain one more time. Okay.
Okay,
Okay then. Okay, guys. Thank you.
thank you.
Bye.